second. What's your...
Hi everyone, and welcome back.
My contacts aren't focusing.
Okay, basically, hi. This is my roommate, Britney. Well,
Used to be roommate.
my ex-roommate, Britney. And today I'm gonna do her makeup, and I thought, why the fuck not film it, right? Like, there's no point in not filming it since we're already here. Right?
Gang gang.
So yeah, I have a picture of what I'm trying to do. I'm gonna like put it here, and we're gonna attempt to do that. So yeah, a different face in my YouTube channel. So yeah, we're gonna start. Okay, thank you.
I am nervous.
I am too.
Why? Are you nervous? I'm gonna be judging you.
I don't know, probably. If you hear people screaming in the background, I'm so sorry. It's not only me here. We have a lot of people here, so bear with me.
A lot.
Probably. What shade is this?
This is 5.
Really? It looks so light.
Yeah, I got it. The thing is, I want to use it whenever I'm gonna do like color looks.
Yeah.
Cause if I use my regular concealer, it's gonna be too brown, and then it's not gonna come up like how I want it to.
It's like literally like a concealer.
They really do.
Who locks the door in this place?
I mean, I don't want to get killed.
Right?
So I do.
I lock it all the time. Whenever I'm leaving, I lock it.
Yeah. Oh my god, that's so crazy. That's so fun.
You know, it reminds me of Friends, because you know in Friends they never lock the door.
Remember, I don't watch Friends.
Oh, sorry. You have a problem. I'm
Do
on
I?
season 9, and there's 10 seasons.
I feel like it's so like.
Bro, you need to watch it. Just watch it. Just watch it.
I tried to watch it.
What season did you go up to?
Like, not even the third episode.
No, you need to watch it. It's so funny.
I love when palettes like fold up.
I had to force it to fold.
This one?
No, I forced my James to fold.
But the James, like, you can fold it. Okay, so I'm gonna use. I'm not even gonna say. I'm just gonna use the Colored Rain palette.
The colored one. Vivid.
The Vivid Colored Rain palette. It's not mine, it's hers, but we're gonna try. Have you ever done your makeup like this? Like, you start with the darkest color and then.
It depends on what I'm doing. Cause sometimes I'll do transitions.
Yeah.
And then, but then sometimes it's better to do darkest.
Yeah.
It just all depends.
For me, also depends. Like, if I'm doing like a natural look, I always start with my transition. Like, it really depends.
Like when I wore makeup yesterday, I just did like the transition, then I did a little bronzer type and a little.
Yeah.
But usually with the color thing, I just go straight in.
I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit more. Oh yeah. Blue. Might use a little bit of Playground from the James palette. She's like,
You know the names by heart?
no.
Oh, I was gonna be like, whoa.
Oh, because look, if you have the James Charles palette, you need to do this. I basically like put glue on it and pasted that shit because I don't want to lose the paper. Like, I feel bad. I did that like the second time I used it.
It kept falling out, so I was like, okay, bye.
I think I'm gonna like
Just
darken it up a little bit, like use a tiny bit of like black or something. Like
There's black in here, and then there's black in. Well, yeah, black everywhere.
that's not black. That's dark.
Hey, I'm blind right
That's
now.
dark green. You crazy girl.
Oh my gosh, yes, it is.
That's like it's. Oh my god, I'm gonna show it.
Ugh. Oh my gosh, it literally is.
That's dark green.
And I thought it was black.
Oh my god.
I tell you, when I'm blind, I'm blind. Have you done someone's makeup like when they're lying down? You know, people who do it and they're like at an ankle.
No, really, because like since I used to do like freelance, it used to be like in their chairs, like in someone's chair, and I always wanted one of those chairs that they pull back.
I don't know how you do freelance. I can't do it. When I did it once, oh my gosh, I did.
It was horrible.
Yeah, cause these girls wanted me to do their makeup for the a 15, and it was 3 of them, and they had a time frame, and the time frame was kind of slim, and I was like, oh my gosh, no.
I always ask, like when I used to do freelance, I used to ask like, hey, at what time do you need to be like ready out, like on whatever place? And then I will set the time, like listen, I need to be at your house at this time, because if not, you're not gonna be ready.
Yeah, that's literally what happened, because they told me, oh, they need to leave by X time. I was like, hey, then we can't do it at that time because there's 3 of you.
Yeah, like,
I'd say, hey, I'm gonna be here at this time, and they're like, can you come later? I'm like, well, I'll only be able to do 2 persons.
yeah, okay, so I'm sorry this is gonna sound like a little bit shady, but sometimes people don't really understand what it takes to do someone else's makeup.
It takes a lot.
And if you want like a good service, it's not gonna be done in an hour or 10 minutes.
Especially if you get like colored looks like this, and people expect it to be done like just like that. Because you know, blending takes time. You don't just.
I mean, if you want something ugly, I can do it quick.
Yeah.
Like, I can do it, but
Pay me still.
yeah, like I'm not about that life. Like the most I've had to do makeup it's for 3 people, and it's at the time like, listen, I need to be here at this time.
I do my family's makeup because you know that's different.
By the way, she's in the same major as I am, beauty. So
Beauty.
we all have the same passion. Tell us a little bit about FITM, Britney.
About FITM?
Yeah, because I've said a lot about FITM, but it's different for everyone. So tell us
Honestly,
your experience.
I like it. It's different, like especially when I was looking at other colleges. When you go, it's like so different, because I remember I went to LMU, and that's like a full-on college, and the
Where is
environment
that? Is it here in Cali?
I think it's 30.
Is it Loyola?
Loyola whatever.
Yeah.
Loyola Marymount. Whatever.
That one.
It's really good, but it was like the environment was good and everything, but it's like, do I want to just go there to do business, or do I want to go to a school that actually has exactly what I want to do?
Yeah, that's the thing, because she applied for different colleges. I didn't. Like I was like, FITM. If I don't get into FITM,
That's it.
I might just do nothing because it's not worth it. I honestly, if I didn't get in, I think I would have waited and like.
And I also applied to Pepperdine too. Guess, remember I didn't tell you?
Oh yeah, I think you told me.
If I didn't, like Victoria, my what are they called? Advisor.
Yeah.
She was like, oh, you know, if I did not stay, I wouldn't have gotten into FITM, because she ended up like interviewing me, and then she liked me, and she was really nice.
You went to Pepperdine.
Yeah.
Oh, just in case if you don't know, Pepperdine is in Malibu. Malibu? Yeah.
Remember we drove past?
It's so pretty.
Did it get affected by the fire? I wonder.
No, I don't think so, because it was mostly the hills. So
It didn't like get down, because I remember Molly said something about it reaching to the beaches.
some beaches, but I don't know.
Because I saw, you know, the highway that we drove on, Pacific thing there, that's the highway, so maybe farther down. Well, like, that sucks.
What if you've been here? Everything happens for a reason.
It was crazy because the weekend before we were in Malibu, and then the next weekend, that's when the fire started.
Oh yeah, and we went to Hannah Montana's house.
Best thing ever.
Like if you watch Hannah Montana as a kid and you know like she lived in Malibu or whatever, we like looked up the address and we went. We didn't actually like see the house. We know it was there because it was like on a private property thing, but it was kind of fun. I'm proud of myself.
Ooh, and you can tag MM. You know, I call him MM Mitchell. Like I can't call him. What's his name?
Mitchell.
Oh.
Oh my god.
I was like, what's his name?
I'm so
Obviously,
glad I
it's Mitchell.
caught that on video.
Oh my
god.
I'm like, obviously that's his name, but I call him MM Mitchell because
Yeah.
it's like that's his name.
That's his brand.
What is it? MM meaning like makeup, or like
No, I
just
think it's,
MM?
I think it's just because like
Instagram.
yeah.
I'm like trying to put a serious meaning behind it.
Yeah.
I never used to know what MUA was.
Oh my god.
I used to say mani moi. Yeah.
Oh, that's so fun.
And I was like, oh, makeup artist. That makes sense.
Yeah, it's like makes sense.
But you want to be honest. I don't understand my skin yet, so. Cause bro, guess what? I used to be oily skin.
Yeah.
Oily, like terrible. Still have oily skin.
Like oil.
But like literally, like makeup did not last. I don't know if it's because I got better at it or what, but it just literally did nothing. Then literally, after I started losing weight, it changed, and I have like dry skin all around, and then my T-zone, you know, regular.
Yeah, I get it.
It was crazy. Cause I've never had like dry skin before.
When I was younger, I used to have like really oily skin. I think like puberty and shit. Like yeah, you have oily skin. But now my skin, it's thirsty. It needs water. It's so crazy.
I used to wish for dry skin though, cause my oil is, oh my gosh, so bad. It's okay.
Because it was lighter, like the Kim K one.
Because that, I think that shade 12 and I have 14. 14 is just really warm, so it's like.
Just like find another good one.
Is this one neutral? What is it?
Oh yeah, it's so much lighter. What the fuck?
Yeah, I just put it right there. I don't.
Flawless. Do you want to put it on your forehead just here too? Because since it's rice quick.
The left.
It looks.
It sounds quiet. I just realized that.
Yeah.
I need to realize. I think I have a translucent for the Fenty one. I didn't know.
Yeah, but I don't know. It's sometimes it's translucent, but it's colored.
Yeah, I don't trust any other translucent than Norma City. I don't know why. I think because I've used it for so long.
Yeah. I was like, wait, like, I never realized how dark your eyes are. I was like, oh my god, like, your pupil is like gigantic. Oh my god, I was like, what the fuck?
They asked me if I have black eyes or brown eyes. I'm like, I don't have black eyes. That's
I
like
don't think-
demonic.
Yeah, I don't think like anyone has like black eyes.
I don't know what to put it as. I forgot. I think it was I put change to brown.
Yeah, that's fine. Let me see. I love this brush so much for indoors.
I got the whole collection. I just bought the whole collection because I was like, that's iconic. I need it.
They're really good, honestly. Look at it. Yeah, it looks so much better. It's open. Ooh, honestly.
Oh, pink. You know I used to love pink art.
Oh, that's like my favorite shade ever.
Because I could use it on my cheeks too and not look too crazy.
Yeah, it's like so iridescent. It's like perfect.
Oh my god.
We love this conversation,
Right? Sorry. Ooh, this is looking good.
Shut up.
I love that wig.
I used soft brown.
Whereas one time, my like in Macy's, they have like the benefit counter.
Yeah.
One time, my mom went over there to get like a brow product, and I followed her with my sister, and they were doing her brows, bro. And my mom eyebrows are thin and just they're tiny and stuff. So when they did it, they made it like big.
Oh yeah.
And I was like, she asked if the eyebrows look good, and me and my sister were like, yeah.
Like, oh my god, beautiful.
I was like, as soon as we left, I wiped it off over.
That's the thing, like when doing eyebrows, like it's good to like alter the shape a little bit, but you cannot go like over the skin like that much because it's gonna look.
It's gonna show.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it doing something? Doing something.
I don't know.
Something put on like a contoured look before. Always just bronzy. Do you shimmer bronzers?
No, hate them so fucking much.
Because you use them right here and it's like it brings up all the texture or whatever.
Yeah, it's so weird. Careful.
Oh, I think I'll have to.
Oh my god, Britney. That looks so good. Do you like it?
Yeah, I do. Let me close up. Oh wow, bro. Oh my gosh, yes.
Looks so good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like if you think she looks beautiful, because obviously she does. I didn't make it. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Oh my god.
I love that.
Oh my god. Jeez.
Guys, look at me.
She loved it. She honestly looks gorgeous, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, bitches.
Oh, I didn't blow.
Okay, it's okay.
Try again.
What we just heard? Yo, that looks fire. I really like that. Oh my god, Mom, I made it!
Okay, bye.
She was.
Bye.